Do you remember I said that the variety would go up, and spurning the bank manager's approach, I said, well, let's call the variety coefficients 1, 2, 3. Well, I have news for you. That was actually a Fibonacci series and not an arithmetic series. And why? Because things in nature don't work in arithmetic series. They work in Fibonacci series. And so by the time we come to category B, we find to our dismay that we've got 5V, 8V, and 13V coming out of the series 1, 2, 3. Now, if anybody wants to shoot me because I can't prove those numbers, the hell with you, frankly. Of course I can't prove the numbers. I'm trying to show the use of the relative notion of requisite variety. Obviously, we've got less variety to play with now because these people do not have the resources that the elite had. And so they are being under more pressure. Now, how do you deal with that?